how to tag learner as ARAL in Learner Information System. Then log into your Learner Information System account first. Go to Master List and then click Select Tagging. Here, select Tagging, click ARAL, and then click Tag as ARAL or choose ka dyan sa tag as ARAL or not tag as ARAL. So, i-click mo yung not tag. And then, lalabas na yung listahan ng mga learners na hindi nakatag. And then, you start clicking the profile of learner. So, let's click a learner. For example, dito. So, siya ay ARAL. So, click yes. And then, after BOSY siya nag-enter ng ARAL. Tapos, nag-exit siya ng ARAL after EOSY o end year assessment. Sa BOSY niya, siya ay 2 levels down. During mid-year assessment, siya ay grade ready na siya. And then, after EOSY, siya ay grade level ready na. And then, click submit. Ito ay kapag ARAL learner siya. And then, we have this one. Ito naman, hindi siya nag-join ng ARAL. So, naka-no na siya dito. And then, during BOSY assessment, siya ay grade level ready. Click natin yan. And EOSY assessment, siya ay grade level ready din. Ibig sabihin yan, hindi na natin i-click yung nag-enter siya ng ARAL program kasi hindi naman. Ilagay lang natin yung BOSY and EOSY assessment niya. And then, grade level ready na siya. Click submit.